If you like our free reading lessons, please support us. Subscribe for free and like us. Welcome to lesson number 19, letter J, word, him. Hello. First, let's listen for words that have the same beginning sound. Ready? Here we go. Do the words up and under start with the same beginning sound? Yes, they do. Good job. Let's practice some rhyming. Let's listen for words that end with the same sounds. That means that they rhyme. Listen to these words cut and butt. Do they rhyme? Yes, they do. Good work. Now, let's listen for syllables in words. How many syllables do you hear in the word umbrella? Tap the syllables out on your fingers. Yes, the word umbrella has 3 syllables. Great work. Now, it's time to practice our letters and sounds. First, let's review our letters from earlier lessons. Please say the name of the letter. D. Great job. What sound does the letter D make?
D.
Good job. Say the name of this letter. U. Great job. What sound does the letter U make? Good job. Say the name of this letter. N. Great job. What sound does the letter N make? Great work. Now, let's learn our new letter for today. This is the letter J. These are the uppercase and lowercase j letters. J makes this sound.
J.
Listen for this sound in the word jacket. Jacket. Do you hear the sound in the beginning or end of the word? Yes, you hear the sound in the beginning of the word jacket. Good job. Let's say our new letter and sound again. J. The letter J makes this sound.
J.
Good job. Now let's listen to the sound and write the matching letter in the air with our finger. Ready? Here we go.
D.
Please make sure that you wrote your letter like this. Good work. Now let's listen to another sound and write the matching letter on the palm of our hand with our finger.
J.
Please make sure that you wrote your letter like this. Good job. Now let's listen to the sound and write the matching letter in the air with our finger. Ready? Here we go. Please make sure that you wrote your letter like this. Now, let's practice reading words that we have already learned. Had. Up. It. On. Now, let's learn a new high-frequency word. Remember, a high-frequency word is a word that follows our sound rules. Here is our high-frequency word for today. Him. Let's use the word in a sentence. I went with him. We can sound out this word because it follows our sound rules. Let's do it. Let's read the word again. Him. Great work! Now that we know the name and sound of many letters, we can blend the sounds of those letters together to read new words. When we read, we make the sound of each letter in order from left to right and slowly blend the sounds together. Let's read more words.
G.
Great job! Now let's blend the sounds quickly together to read the word. Jug. Good job! Let's try to sound out another word. Great work! Now blend the sounds quickly. Jet. Let's read more words. Dug, jug, jet, job, jam, jog. Great job! Let's read some sentences. The dog dug in the pen. I jog in the hot sun. A job is to dig in the mud. Wow! You are becoming a great reader. Great job today! Let's review today's letter, sound and word one more time. Here is our letter for today. J. And this is the sound that it makes.
J.
Here is our word for today. Hymn. Great work today. We hope to see you soon for our next lesson. If you like our free reading lessons, please support us. Subscribe for free and like us.